Okay, that is the pillow rabbit for the newborn. For the baby is a good quality product. You see that? This product made from Hong Kong. Okay, we call rabbit. Oh look, the pillow look like the rabbit, like you see. And they said baby pillow memory foam taller pillow for newborn. Okay, it's the pillow for the newborn. Okay, we have 6 quality for this pillow. The first 3D when breathable and hydroscopic, and it has some air as cool from the pillow like this. And we can clean machine washable. Okay, can clean with machine. And the size this pillow 40 by 24 by 3 centimeter. Okay, it's good for the kid. And the skin friendly fabric. Like the skin, like the we call rapid. Invisible shipper like easy to move the skin to rest with the machine. Okay, now let's see the pillow together. Wow, let's see. So cool, man. Wow. Scopy. It's easy. Easy. Right. Oh my god. That easy. Now see the end of the pillow together. Okay. I see that. This is the skin. The skin we can take it and remove it to clean with the machine. Okay, and this the pillow that we call breathable, that we have air from this. We can the baby example. My hand is the baby. They sleep and the air come in this pillow. You see that? Okay. It's good. It looks like rabbit. Oh my god, it's so clean and it's good for the baby. Everyone, do you love it? And I recommend this pillow for everyone. And it's good. It's called rabbit. And this pillow made from Hong Kong. They said high quality product. It's good for baby. Everyone can search this pillow from the internet. You can buy in the shopping. Okay, I recommend this pillow for your newborn or for your baby. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Hope you guys love my video. See you next episode. Bye.